Introducing the all-new 16-foot Saturn V2 Pro SD488 heavy-duty inflatable motorboat, engineered for unmatched strength and reliability. The latest PRO model, SD488 version 2, now comes equipped with heat-welded seams, aluminum transom, 4-rod holder mounts, rowing oarlocks, a convenient cargo area on top of the tubes, and multiple D-rings all over. Crafted from 1,100 D-Tex heavy-duty PVC with a rugged 5-layer construction, this boat is engineered for fire and emergency rescues, flood response, and swift water operations, while also perfectly suited for day trips and professional fishing use. Rot-free heavy-duty aluminum transom. Built to last, this ultra-durable transom ensures superior longevity, resisting rot and extending the boat's lifespan for years of reliable use. Double-layer splash guards. A unique dual-layer splash guard system keeps the top of the tubes clear for comfortable seating or secure gear storage. Please visit BoatsToGo.com for more information.